I'd like to show you two ways to make a cone. One is with the line tool. We're going to use the follow me tool. Just draw a line up the blue axis down to the red and then back to the origin. I'm going to grab a circle and just make it bigger than the triangle you have there. If you want it to be a smooth cone, you might want to type in 100S here to make it a 100-sided circle, just a little bit smoother. I'm now going to grab the arrow and click on the circular base, and then the follow me tool, and then finally on the triangle itself. That will zoom around. You can see that the inside now is conical, and you can erase that base if you no longer want it. Alright, that's one way. Another way is with just a circle here, for example. And I'm going to use the push-pull tool to make it tall. And if I want it to be as tall as that cone there we go. Then you can highlight, with the arrow, you can highlight the top circle, change the scale. That can either be done here with the scale button or by pressing the letter S on the keyboard. And now if I grab one of the little handlebar corners here, I can change the scale, but I want to make sure that I do so about the center. So if you look down here, it tells us that pressing the control button will make it scale around the center, and so you can just pull that in. Now if you look at it, it's still flat on the top, so you have to zoom in a bit more. Click on the circle, scale again pressing the control key to make it scale toward the center, and just keep doing that. One or two times should be plenty. Then if you zoom back out, you can see that it's quite pointed. Alright, and that's another way. Now the difference between these two methods is that the cone on the left is hollow and the cone here has a flat base. Of course, you can always get rid of that flat base by clicking on the circle and then pressing delete. Also notice that one cone, the internal face is here, and on the other cone the internal face is on the outside. I'm going to show you now how to make a double cone. I'm going to grab a circle. I'm going to push-pull it about half the height of the other cone. Then with the arrow key, I'm going to highlight my cylinder. I'm going to press either the move button or M on the keyboard. Click on the cylinder itself and press the control key. That gives me a plus, and doing so will allow me to not only move the piece but make a copy of the piece. I'm going to set the second cylinder, the copy, right down on top of the previous one, and now I have two cylinders on top of each other. In this way, I can then scale again. Press the control button to the center. And I can do the same to the bottom here. Anyway, just a few tricks with SketchUp.